Hello, everybody. This is me, Arnold Schwarzenegger. I'm back.
I'm very happy to be here. Very nice to see you all again. Ready?
Let's fucking do it.
Thank you for calling the Hilton St. Petersburg Bayfront.
No problemo.
If you know the extension of the person you wish to speak with, please enter it now.
I don't
For
know.
new reservation, please dial 1.
1. Now we're going to do something extremely fun.
Please hold for
in-house reservation.
Da, 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 da.
Good morning. Thank you for calling reservations. My name is Susan, and who am I speaking with?
Myles, Bennett, Dyson.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How can I help you with your reservation?
Nice to meet you.
Thank you. How can I help you with your reservation, sir?
Yeah, I want a room.
On what day?
Tonight.
Okay, and how long will you be staying with us?
One night.
Are you coming in by yourself?
Yeah, I work alone.
Okay. Let's see what I've got available.
Go on.
I've got a king bed non-smoking for $109.95.
Perfect.
Okay. And what kind of a credit card would you like to hold this for?
What the fuck?
I'll be right back, okay?
Hello.
Hello.
So sorry about this.
That's okay. Your alarm went off in your car.
Yeah, correct.
All right. What kind of a card do you want to hold this room with?
Shit! You bastards! I'll be back.
Shut up!
Go and fucking kiss your mother's fucking pussy. You fucking quiet boy. Hello.
Hello?
What the fuck did I do wrong?
Reservations. My name is Julie. How may I help you?
Good morning. How are you?
I am good, thank you.
Good. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Are you needing reservations this morning?
Yes. Room.
And the date of check-in for you will be?
Tonight.
And then checking out for you will be on what day?
One night.
No!
Just one night only?
Correct.
How many rooms?
1.
One room? How many adults and how many children will be within your room?
I work alone.
I'm sorry, the phone kind of gave out. What was that again? I'm sorry.
As I have told you. I work alone.
Are you a member of Hilton Honors?
I don't know.
Okay. Your first name is?
Myles.
What was that again? I'm sorry.
Myles. I'm a cop.
And are you coming in with any groups or conventions at this time?
Negative. No.
Looking for a room right now. Are you looking for a room with a king-size bed or 2 doubles?
It doesn't matter.
All right. I have them both available at this time, running at the same
Shit! You bastards! I'll be back. Go and fucking kiss your mother's fucking pussy. You fucking quiet boy.
Hi, honey. How are you?
Hello?
So sorry about this.
That's hello. I have both available right now. I have either a non-smoking king or 2 doubles running under the rate of $109.95 per night plus tax.
Yeah.
I like that.
All right. I'll grab the king in here for you then. Can I get the spelling of your last name, please?
Oligani. I'm tired of the same old fucking bullshit. I'm back. Hello.
Hello?
Fucking bitch.